welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Oh my goodness, you guys will not believe what happened, what I just did, what I do all the time. I just had to come on and share this with you all. Recently, I did a video about being able to start your prepper's pantry or keep it going for little to no money at all. And it talked about couponing in there. So I wanted to share what just happened to me. I know the setup looks weird. I'm in my car. This is the steering wheel. It's the only place I could find to put the camera. Anyway, I'm excited, guys. So let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, before I tell you guys what happened, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are returning, thank you so much. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. Take a second, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell. Follow me over on Facebook, Container Crops, my group over there, IG, Scaredy Cat Gardener. Yes, I'm running through it fast today because I want to get down to it. So, what happened to me today? So I'm just lollygagging around, you know. I went into the grocery store, see what I could find. What did I need to pick up? Needed a few things. So I always walk down the meat aisle and the vegetable aisle and the fruit produce aisle. I just do it, okay? Whether I'm actually getting ready to buy something specific or not. So today, down the packaged meat aisle where you find your bacon, your sausage, your hot dogs and things like that, on sale was some Polish sausage. On sale was some bacon. So I'm going to show you clips of what I found, and then I'll tell you a little bit more about it. So let's start with the Polish sausage because it is the main feature of today. So the Polish sausage was regularly $8, and I'm going to show you my receipt, the whole 9 yards, so you guys can see how this unfolds. The Polish sausage was regularly, not 8, that was the bacon. It was regularly $7.49 per package of Polish sausage. And I'm going to show you the Polish sausage and the bacon in a few minutes. But the Polish sausage was regularly $7.49 per pack. They had a sale. Buy one, get one free. So at buy one, get one free, that means it's half off. So half of $7.49 is $3.74, I think, or something like that. Anyway, it's $3 and something, okay? So that made each pack of Polish sausage $3.70 some odd cents. Then they had an in-store coupon on the Polish sausage for $5 off. Okay, do the math, people. Do the math, people. That's going to put me into the negative by about $2, right? Just about $2, maybe a little bit more. I don't have a calculator. But bottom line, on each pack, that puts me in the negative. And when I say in the negative, that means I don't owe anything. It becomes free at that point. So $7.49 per pack. Buy one, get one free. That means each pack individually, if I just bought one, would be $3.74. Well, $5 off of $3.74 is going to leave $1.20 something, I think. I don't know the math right now. I'm too excited to think it in my head. But anyway, it puts me in the negative. So there were 6 packs with the $5 off. And the meat is not expired. It's not expired. It's as good. I'm going to put it in my freezer, guys. I'm going to put it in my freezer. And I'm going to show you all that shortly. But I'm going to wait till I get inside to show you all that. At any rate, because I'm still at the store. I got a couple of more stores to go prowl on to now. At any rate. So, there were 6 packs on sale. So, technically, if I had to pay the $7.49, I would have been spending something like, what? $42 or something like that for it. So take the $5 off of that and it puts me in the negative for each pack. So moving right along, at that point I got all of them. There were only 6. If there had been 26, I would have got 26. Moving right along. So I just keep looking. I already know what's going to happen at the register. They're going to freak out. They're going to be like, how is this happening? We owe you money. We can't give you money back. I don't want the money back. Just give me the food. So I move on, and here comes bacon. It's low sodium Oscar Mayer bacon that's normally $8.50 a pack. So it was on sale for, what was it? The coupon on there was $4 off. It was on sale for $5.99. So it's really $8.50. Now keep these prices in your head, because if you do the math on what I would have paid for it if it had not been on sale, that's astronomical. Then being on sale was $5.99, which is not bad for a pack of bacon. So take $4 off, that makes it $2 each. Well, now go back to the Polish sausage. I was in the negative about $2. So that negative took up the $2 I would have been paying on the bacon. And it was only 3 packs of bacon. So as you look at the receipt, you will see, okay, that wasn't working so well. My camera kept falling. At any rate, I'm just excited, guys. If you look at the receipt, you will also see that it's minus $1.62. They technically owed me $1.62, but grocery stores don't give money back like that, which I already know that. I ain't crying about it. I ain't mad about it. So I got 3 packs of bacon and 6 packs of Polish sausage. I walked out of the store with my receipt and my meat. So when you talk about what you can't afford, you just got to learn how to afford it. So let's take a look at the receipt and the meat. Okay, so this is what I got. Oscar Mayer low sodium hardwood smoked bacon. I got 3 packs of those. And then I got this Polish sausage, it's smoked sausage, and I got 6 packs of those. Now, like I said, the bacon here was originally $8.50. It was on sale for $5.99. Okay, so that's a $2.51 savings right there. Then, as you can see, coming off of that $5.99 is $4 each. Okay, $4 each. So that $4 each lands this bacon at $1.99 a pack. So how did I get out of paying the $1.99 a pack? So up here with the Polish sausage. The Polish sausage originally was $7.49 each. Buy one, get one free. So in my store, the buy one, get one free, that means if you buy one, it's half price. So one at half price is $3.74. Now, $3.74, the coupon, special coupon, $5 off. That put this Polish sausage, each pack, in the negative of $1.25. That technically would be owed to me, or I wouldn't have to pay. So now you take the $1.25 and multiply it times 6 packs. You come up with $7.50. Back over here to the bacon. $1.99 each. I had 3 packs. That equates to $5.99. So $7.50 in the negative over here, but I owed $5.99 over here. So you subtract that $5.97. So you subtract that $5.97 from the $7.50, and you got $1.53. $1.53 that would have been owed to me. So let's take a look at the receipt. Okay, so this is my receipt and my total savings. Where is it? My total savings was $72. Bought 9 items. That's 6 Polish sausage and 3 bacon. As you can see, here it is. The balance owed is in the negative here. So I don't owe that. They would owe me that $1.62. So cash, no cash whatsoever did I have to pay. And you can see them coming off, the different prices coming off here all the way up, the items. But overall, I saved $72 today, and I didn't put out a penny. Now, I just want to show you guys one more thing The use by date that's on here, it does not say it's good by or whatever. It says use by, and it says use by the 24th of July, 2022. So this is actually the 20th of July. So you know what happens with this bacon now that I've got it home? It goes into my freezer. And that's on all of the bacon. And so what's on the back of the Polish sausage? So it says here, use within 3 days after opening. I'm not getting ready to open this. I'm not getting ready to open this. This is going in my freezer, guys. You guys have got to pay attention to the signs on packages. Use within 3 days after opening. I'm not getting ready to open any of this. Nada. Okay, guys, that's going to do it for today. I saved $72. You know what I can do with $72? A whole heck of a lot. And I got meat. I got Polish sausage. I have bacon. And you know, I think everything's better with bacon and butter. Yes. Okay, guys. If you are new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I don't know if I said that earlier because I was so excited. But don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, give the video a thumbs up, and share it out. I am sure somebody else would love to know how to do this. Would love to see it in action, what I did today in getting this for free. Not a penny, not even tax, nothing. Oh, and by the way, I did get some corn in another store for free. I got to the cash register, it rang up for $2.67. And their policy is, if it rings up wrong, you get the first item free. Well, that was the only one, so it was free. So, to this haul, I got some ears of corn as well. Okay, I want to let you guys go so I can get my food put away and in the freezer. Oh my goodness. In time of peace, prepare for war. I'll see you guys next time.
You'll be living your good life, catch a glimpse from the outside all the time.